Down news dictation 61 new para. According to the security plan, the security in charges at the venue would work closely with the hotel's management, the foreign office and others for the smooth movement of the delegations. Full stop. The in charge will also supervise and brief personnel at entry points, rooftops, and pickets. Full stop. They will also ensure that armed private security guards are not deployed at hotels and other visiting venues. Full stop. No official shall be allowed to carry their mobile phone, bags, digital devices, or personal weapons. Full stop. According to the security plan, the cavalcade in charge will be responsible for the parking formation as per the plan and check the turnout of cavalcade personnel. Full stop. Special cards will be issued to all cavalcade persons, and the VVIP car will be at a reasonable distance from the lead vehicle. Full stop. New para. In case of any outrage mishap, the motorcade personnel will form a standing guard on the VVIP car to cover the four flanks, as an outer cordon. Full stop. The special branch will install walk-through gates at the venue and deploy officials to control access. Full stop. It will also vet the staff working at the venues as well as the participants of the functions to be attended by VVIPs. Full stop. All supervisory officers will restrict the entry of unauthorized persons to the high security zone and around the venue, keeping in view the current situation. Full stop. Meanwhile, the Punjab government has asked all the government hospitals in Rawalpindi to remain alert. Full stop. According to a letter to the hospitals, the Punjab Specialized Healthcare and Medical Education Department said that the federal government asked them to make these arrangements ahead of the SCO moot. Full stop. New para. Separately, Interior Minister Mohsen Naqvi visited various parts of the city to inspect the beautification drive ahead of the SCO moot. Full stop. He stressed the need for thorough cleanliness, particularly VIP routes and red zone, besides the removal of encroachments from roads. Full stop. In the garrison city, the main markets of Rawalpindi, city markets will remain open during the 3 days. Full stop. However, the markets, schools, wedding halls, hotels and hostels located along the main and primary routes will remain closed for 3 days. Full stop. A security official said that 3,500 police personnel will be deployed at airbase and 900 police will be deployed at Islamabad International Airport, in addition to 700 traffic police officials to ensure foolproof security. Full stop. The end.